Welcome back guys in my YouTube channel Technical Fantasy, and before proceeding further I would like to request you kindly subscribe this channel. Not wasting much of your time, I would like to tell you today's topic, and this is related with the WhatsApp. In WhatsApp they have added new feature how to create polls, and many groups many people are using that polls option. So this poll opinion poll option is available on many social media platforms, but in WhatsApp they have added. So in today's tutorial I will show you how to create polls in WhatsApp. This poll can be created with the groups or with the individual to take the opinion of the public group or individual. So in the group, how can we create? Just go into the group. I have created one poll. I will delete it for the first, and now we'll restart it. So to create any poll in a group, just press this, and here in these icons you will see the poll. Press poll. Here you will ask the questions. What is today's temperature? Suppose today's temperature. So if you ask in a group, and you can ask any poll to 6, 28, any number of options can be added, and after adding all the options just press this post will be posted in that group. So any member of that group can select any options, and if we press any options here, that options will be registered, and that can be seen in view votes. Here anybody can see that I have voted against 26. So this is the how we can create a poll in a group. So for individual, we want to take opinion of the individual, the same procedure is there. Press this, press poll, write the question here, give the options you are thinking about, and take the opinion of that individual. So this is all about creating polls in the WhatsApp. If you like this video, you are again requested to please subscribe this channel, and that's all. Thank you very much.